Hello everyone, hope you guys are having a great time. So in today's video I'm gonna be talking about, can you move our car forward in second gear, or we need to put always the first gear when we have to move our car from completely stationary position. So before getting into the video, if you guys are new here, consider subscribing. Here I'll be uploading driving tips and tricks and informative videos related to cars. So when we have to move our car forward, I recommend you guys always move in first gear. But that doesn't mean that you cannot move your car in second gear. You can move your car in second gear, but you need to give a little bit more gas than when you have to move your car in first gear. And the main problem here is, when you have to move your car forward in second gear, you need to hold the biting point for a longer time. So if you don't hold the biting point for a longer time and you release the clutch too fast, then you will stall your car. So if you have to move your car in second gear, you must hold the biting point for a longer time and you need to give little bit more gas. So by doing this, you are damaging the clutch of your car. So I always recommend you guys to move always in first gear. But there are some scenarios where you can still move your car forward in second gear without little to no damage at all. So when you have to move your car in the surface where there is less traction, let's say you have to move your car in the snow or in the moors, so on that case there will be less traction, and if you move your car forward in first gear, you will spin the tires. So in order to reduce the chance of spinning the tires, you can move your car forward in second gear. If you move car forward in second gear in less traction surface area, on that case you will not spin the tires, or the spinning of tire will be very minimum. Another scenario where you can move your car in second gear is, let's say when you have to move your car forward when you have stopped your car on the downhill. So when you have to move your car forward from downhill, on that case the gravity will move your car forward, so you need not give gas and you need not hold the biting point for a longer time, because gravity will pull your car forward automatically when you release the brake. So guys, let's get POV driving and see what will happen if we try to move our car forward in second gear. So guys, let's put the car in second gear and try to move forward in second gear and see what will happen if we try to move our car forward in second gear. So I put my car in second gear, and if I want to move my car in second gear, I need to give more gas, and at the same time I need to release the clutch very slowly. So you guys can see I have hold the biting point for a longer time, only then car is moving forward without stalling. If I release the clutch too fast, then I will stall the car. So now I will try to move the car forward in the same way which I used to do to move my car forward in the first gear. As you guys can see, the car is stalled because there is not much power in the second gear like in the first gear. So guys, the first gear is only the gear which is designed to move your car forward when you are at completely stationary position. So I recommend you guys always to move your car forward only in the first gear. Never try to move your car forward in second gear when you are at flat surface or in the uphill. You can still move your car forward in second gear when you are at the slippery area and when you are on the downhill. So this was all for today's video. If you guys learned something, don't forget to like the video, and if you guys are new here, consider subscribing. Here I'll be uploading driving tips and tricks and informative videos related to cars. Thank you so much for watching. Drive safe and take care.